How I sculpted power from Chainsaw Man in just 3 minutes. Start by sculpting the head, take way too long to figure out the basic shape, carve out a spot for the eyes, mask a spot for the nose, invert it, pull it out, make a rough placeholder for the lips, pretend you know what the planes of the face are and try to add a couple, adjust the eye sockets, the back of the head, add a neck, make sure it looks really stiff, give it some weird little wings, give her some giant anime eyes, play with the nose some more, make a really rough version of the eyelids. Now voxel-remesh. Make sure you get into detail early so you can regret it later. Now smush the nose, make the face shorter, sharpen things, realize you didn't leave space for the chin, keep smushing everything and hope for the best, add some bulbous nostrils, smooth over the eyelids you spent a while making in the first place just to retry, voxel-remesh again, and now realize this isn't going to work as it is. Voxel-remesh to lower the resolution, readjust the face, give her really puffy cheekbones. Now big lips that you're going to ruin later anyway. Give her the skinniest possible nose because she doesn't need to breathe. Realize things are actually starting to look a little better now than when you started. Keep changing your mind between making her look completely starved or only partially starved. Pretend you know what you're doing by making the eyelids smoother. Make small adjustments like a pro. Give her nice lips that you're just gonna ruin later anyway. Carve out a nice spot for her jaw. And back to the lips for some more tweaking. Mess with the nose. And now ruin the lips like we promised. Add a placeholder cylinder for the teeth. Big overly creepy smile, as it's mandatory. Now smooth out her new Joker mouth. Spend way too much time messing with the details on the inside of her mouth that nobody's ever gonna see. Realize you have to hinge that jaw, so pull it back. Fix the eyes again and give her some lower eyelids. Make a plane, shrink it, extrude it, solidify, subdivide. Fiddle with it till they look moderately evil. Spend some more time on these dang eyelids that never seem to satisfy me. Struggle with basic modeling skills trying to make a single eyelash. Add the eyelash to this finicky curve and give it an array modifier. Realize it looks like spider legs and go back to the drawing board. Realize that it still looks like spider legs, but oh well, we move on. Spider leg bottom lash time. Make a horn in a much more complicated way than necessary for style points. Fight with the subdivided cube to make her some gums. Make these really flat triangles for teeth. Realize the teeth look horrible, so make them have a little bit of dimension this time. Realize that since her mouth is open, I have to figure out where to put a tongue. Slap that tongue right on the outside of her mouth. Make a big hair strand for her from a curve. Balloon head time. Start making second hair strand, realizing she doesn't have ears. Get in a fight to the death with this random hole that showed up. Finish the ear, but don't merge it because you're scared. Spend the next few hours messing with these hair curves. Struggle with what the heck to do with merging hair into the top of the head. Seriously, if you guys have tips, I'm listening. Finally get the courage to join the ear and be happy when it doesn't ruin the rest of your sculpt. Figure out how to model extremely basic clothes for the first time. Add some basic colors. Fight with trying UV mapping for the first time. Fight with vertex paint. Add some lights. And there you go. Power from Chainsaw Man. Thank you all for watching. If you made it this far, please consider leaving a like and subscribing as it helps me out a ton. If you want to see this process a little bit more in depth, all 12 hours of struggle is right here in this time lapse conveniently located for you.